Hello viewers, it's me MTEvan and welcome back to MTEvan Unknown. Today I am here to show you fun notepad pranks to surprise your friend. Subscribe now for tech tricks and endless laughs. With your friends, you can prank them and can do anything you want. Just using this software, Notepad. Yes, the simple program by default have on Windows or any of that. You can just use that as a text editor software. And to do that, yes, first of all, we need to create a blank notepad file or like text document file and name it like what kind of text your friend gonna attract. Yeah, something like that. Love letter. Yes, that's gonna work. Love letter. Yes, just turn it on. And yep, one more thing you need is the guide. Yes, what and how you can prank your friend by using this. Yes, the first thing we need is the command for a message box. Yes, how it works I will show you later. Yes, so do that. X is equal to message box, or you can just copy paste from the description the message you want to show your friend. Yes, your PC okay, your PC has been hacked by MTEvan unknown. Yes, I'm just using my name. You can write anything you want to show. Okay, don't forget to do that in the inside of the inverters, and then a comma. And now comes the first number plus second numbers. Yes, refers to this. First numbers are for buttons, what kind of button you want to use in this message box, and second numbers for the icon you want to show to your friends. Yes, so the only thing my friends have to do is to click on OK, and that returns to the next window. Okay, so I'm using 0 plus and the second number to show an icon, and I'm gonna use the error icon. Yes, it's stand for 16, then a comma, and then a title for the message box. Yes, the title can be pranked or something like that. Yes, now you have to just save that and just cut it off and just change the file format to VBS. Then click enter and yes, now file is ready. Whenever I just click on it, the pranked, your PC has been hacked by MTEvan unknown, and the warning or the error symbol. But it's not actually pranking. You just click on the OK button or the cross button to get over it. But I'm not gonna do that. So go to edit and first type here do, and at last you just need to click or type loop, then save it again, cut it off, and left this one for your friend. And whenever you just turn this on, and if he ever click on the cross or the OK button, it never gonna close until you want, or you just your friend don't know the trick to turn it off. So this is how you can prank your friend, and this window is never gonna close anyway. So how can we close that? Just press Ctrl Shift Escape to turn on the task manager, or go from here the task manager, turn on the task manager anyway, and then process, and this one Microsoft Windows based something like that, end task. Yes, that will just close your window, and that's how you can prank your friend. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, please.